The field of science is very diverse and vast. Today we are going to accomplish a small topic of it, that is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers basically comprise of the production of synthetic stuff, tensile materials like leather, carbon and nylon, etc. Our group members are Mohammad Armagan Ilyas, Shahid Munawwar, Bushra Khalid. Synthetic fibers are the result of extensive research by scientists to improve and naturally occurring animal and plant fibers. In general, synthetic fibers are created by forcing, usually through extrusion, fiber forming materials through holes into the air, forming a thread. Properties of synthetic fibers. Here the properties of different synthetic fibers are given, which includes relative density, diameter, tensile strength, modulus of elasticity, strain of failure percentage. Advantages: much stronger than natural fibers, wet or dry, don't shrink when wet like natural fibers, resist rot, mildew, acids and alkalis. Disadvantages: slippery, don't hold knots and splices as well, may be damaged by heat and ultraviolet light. The worldwide production of synthetic fibers are given according to an estimate. China is producing 61% of the total consumption, USA 5%, India 6%, while other countries are producing 11%. Nylon. The first synthetic fiber was introduced by DuPont in 1939 to public in women hosiery. Unlike any fiber in use at the time, stronger, more abrasion resistant, excellent elasticity, heat set, lightweight, chemical resistant. Also had drawbacks: static buildup, poor hand, poor comfort on skin, low resistance to sunlight. Production. Made from various substances. Numbers after name indicate number of carbon atoms in starting material. For example, nylon 66. Physical structure. Available in multifilament, monofilament, staple in variety of lengths and tow in wide range of deniers and shapes, as partially drawn or completely finished filaments. Produce in bright, semi-dull and dull luster with varying degree of strength. Physical structure. It is found in rounded shape, hollow filament, delta shape, modified delta hollow filament. Properties of nylon. Aesthetics: maintaining natural fiber look and texture. Durability: excellent abrasion resistant and strength, better sunlight resistance. Comfort: poor absorbency lowers its comfort factor and fiber modification increases comfort. Appearance retention: highly resilient due to heat setting, pleats, embossed designs become integral, compression resiliency important in carpets, shrinkage resistance high due to heat set and low absorbency. Care: hot water may cause permanent wrinkling but can help remove oily stains, dries quickly, resistant to mildew, insects and fungi, low sunlight resistance. Nylon uses. It is most important use in carpet, aprons, cloth lines and umbrellas. Advantages: strongest commonly used fiber, wooden rod, most elastic of all fibers, good for lines, subject to shock. Disadvantages: very elastic, bad for lines that need to be torn, dangerous if it breaks under strain, slippery, unravels easily. Polyester. First produced in England, introduced in the US in 1951 by DuPont. Most widely used synthetic fiber is workhorse. Filament extremely versatile, while staple can be blended with many other fibers. Versatility in blending is unique advantage. Produced by reacting dicarboxylic acid with dihydric alcohol, fibers are melt spun and hot drawn. Physical structure of polyester. Produced in many types. Filament high or regularly nasty, bright or delustered, white or solution dyed, regular or low piling, generally smooth rolled-like fibers with circular cross-section. Other cross-sections: trilobal, octolobal, oval, hollow, voided, hexalobal, pentalobal. Properties of polyester. Aesthetics: maintaining natural fiber look and texture. Durability: excellent abrasion resistant and strength, better sunlight resistance. Comfort: poor absorbency, low discomfort factor, and fiber modification increases comfort. Appearance: retention, generally wrinkle resistance except when set by body heat and moisture. Care: machine dry, medium heat, remove promptly. Polyester uses: most widely used in MF in US, woven fabrics in apparels and interiors, knitted fabrics, fiber fill, non-woven for fiber web fabrics, carpets, technical hoses, belts, artificial arteries, veins and hearts. Polyester Dacron. Advantage: much less elastic than nylon, useful for lines that must be taut. Nearly as strong as nylon, more pliable than nylon. Disadvantages: chafes easily under strain, much less elastic than nylon, not good for lines subject to shock. Olefin. By 1957, Italy was produced olefin. US in 1960 has a combination of properties that makes it good for interiors, apparel that doesn't need ironing, and technical uses. Production: two processes: high pressure for film and molded materials and low pressure for textile use. Melt spun into water or cool air and cold drawn to 6 times its spun length, for crystallizes very rapidly. Gel spinning: dissolved polyethylene forms viscous gel in solvent, produces very high strength fibers. Physical structure: produced as monofilament, multifilaments, stapled fiber, tow and slit or fibrillated film yawns. Fibers are colorless, often rounded in cross section, have slightly waxy feel, cross section modified according to end use. Properties of olefin. Aesthetic: usually produced with medium luster and smooth texture, many size available. Durability: produced with different strengths according to end use, very strong, excellent resistance to chemicals. Comfort: non-absorbent, excellent winking, good heat resistance. Appearance: retention, excellent resiliency and recovers quickly from wrinkling. Care: dry quickly, dry cleaning not recommended due to solvents, doesn't pick up color, oily strands are extremely difficult to remove, excess heat causes fiber to shrink and melt, excellent resistance to acids, alkalis, insects and microorganisms. Olefin uses: its most important use is in apparel, interior textiles and technicals. Vignon fiber. Vignon is a synthetic fiber made from polyvinyl chloride. In some countries other than the United States, vignon fibers are referred to as polyvinyl chloride fibers. It can bind non-woven fibers and fabrics. It was invented in 1939. Production of vignon. The US Federal Trade Commission definition for vignon fiber is a manufactured fiber in which the fiber forming substance is any long chain synthetic polymer composed of at least 85% by weight of vinyl chloride units. Characteristics of the vignon: doesn't flame but softens at low temperature, high resistance to chemicals. Absorption: moisture absorption is less than 0.5% and moisture regained is less than 0.1%. Uses: industrial application is a bonding agent for non-woven fabrics and products. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber are a new breed of high-strength materials. Carbon fiber has been described as a fiber containing at least 90% carbon obtained by the controlled pyrolysis of appropriate fibers. The existence of carbon fibers came into being in 1879 when Edison took out a patent for the manufacture of carbon filaments suitable for use in electric lamps. Classification and types of carbon fiber based on carbon fiber properties, based on precursor fiber material, based on final heat and temperature. Characteristics and applications of carbon fibers. Here you can see in the table the characteristics and applications of carbon fibers. Carbon fibers are lightweight, low coefficient of thermal expansion, electric conductivity, high damping and electromagnetic properties. And its applications are in aerospace, sporting games, medical applications like X-ray equipments, textile machinery, in chemical industry, etc. Rayon. Rayon is a manufactured regenerated cellulose fiber. Rayon is known by the names viscose rayon and art silk in the textile industry. It is usually has a high luster quality, giving it a bright sheen. Here are the reaction. Rayon fiber properties. Rayon is a versatile fiber and has the same comfort properties as natural fibers. Imitating effect. It can imitate the feel and texture of the silk, wool and cotton. Easily dyeable. The fibers are easily dyed in a wide range of colors, ideal for use. The rayon fibers are soft, smooth, cool and highly absorbent. Physical structure. Regular rayon has lengthwise lines called striations and its cross section is an intended circular shape. The filament rayon yarns vary from 80 to 980 filaments per yarn and vary in size from 40 to 5000 denier. Modacrylic fiber. A modacrylic fiber is a synthetic copolymer. Modacrylics are soft, strong, resilient and dimensionally stable. They can be easily dyed, show good press and shape retention and are quick to dry. They have outstanding resistance to chemicals and solvents and not attacked by moths and are no allergic. Modacrylic fiber production. The modacrylic fibers are produced by the polymerizing the components, dissolving the copolymer in acetone, pumping the solution into the column of warm air, stretching while hot. Aramid fiber. Aramid fibers are a class of heat resistant and strong synthetic fibers. They are used in aerospace and military applications for ballistic rated body armor fabrics and ballistic composites, in bicycle tires and as an asbestos substitute. The name is a portmanteau of aromatic polyamide. Production. World capacity of para-aramid production is estimated at about 41,000 tons per year in 2002 and increases each year by 5 to 10%. In 2007, this means a total production capacity of around 55,000 tons per year. Polymer preparation. Aramid are generally prepared by the reaction between an amine group and a carboxylic acid halide group. Here is the reaction below. Aramid fiber characteristics: good resistance to abrasion, good resistance to organic solvents, non-conductive, no melting point, degradation starts from 5000 Celsius. Major industrial uses: filament resistant clothing, heat protective clothing and helmets, armor competing with PE based fiber products such as Dyneema and Spectra, composite materials, etc. Polybenzimidazole fiber. Polybenzimidazole fiber is a synthetic fiber with a very high melting point that also doesn't readily ignite because of its exceptional thermal and chemical stability. The US Federal Trade Commission definition for PBI fiber is a manufactured fiber in which the fiber forming substance is a long chain aromatic polymer having recurring imidazole groups as an integral part of the polymer chain. Production. PY is prepared by step growth polymerization from 3,3,4,4 tetraamino biphenyl and diphenyl isophthalate. The resulting polymer is processed into a solution using dimethyl acetamide, then fibered via drying spinning process. Properties. Electrical properties are dielectric constant, dielectric strength, volume resistivity, electrical. Mechanical properties: coefficient friction, compressive modulus, compressive strength, hardness Rockwell, tensile modulus, tensile strength. Spandex fiber. The name spandex is an anagram of the word expands. Spandex or elastane is a synthetic fiber known for its exceptional elasticity. It is strong but less durable than its major non-synthetic competitor, natural latex. It is a polyurethane polyurea copolymer that was developed in 1959 by chemists C.L. Sandquist and Joseph Shivers at DuPont's Bangareboti in Waynesboro, Virginia. When first introduced, it revolutionized in chemical industries. Spandex fiber production. Spandex fibers are produced in 4 different ways: melt extrusion, reaction spinning, solution dry spinning, solution wet spinning. Major spandex fiber uses: apparel and clothing articles where stretch is desired, generally for comfort and fit, such as athletics, aerobic exercise. Thank you for watching.